This is gonna stay for 4 to 5 days. But hi guys, welcome back to our channel. It's good to be back again. Thank you for all of our returning subscribers. For those of the returning viewers who hasn't subscribed, please click on the subscribe button. Our new viewers, we're glad to have you join us. I hope that you're gonna enjoy the content for today. Please like the videos, click on the share button, make sure you subscribe, and click on the notification bell also so that you can be the first to get my videos whenever I post new ones. I promise to always post new videos every week. Today we're going to be making a high protein breakfast with a protein milk that is being made in this same laboratory. The beautiful thing about it is that we're not going to be making use of any cooking range or the stove. It's going to be super easy, so please sit back, relax, enjoy the video for the day. I soak my nuts in the fridge for 4 hours, but you can do it for a longer time. 6 to 8 cups of water is the standard for this particular recipe. If you decide to add more water, it's fine, but the lesser water you add, the more creamier the milk will be, and I love my milk creamy. As I would always advise, for this procedure to get a better result, always make use of a nut milk bag, a cheesecloth or a muslin cloth. A vegetable fine net bag would also do the work. It just costs less than $1. Squeeze gently till all you see is a pulp, which we'll be using for our protein breakfast. Now we have our homemade oat nut milk ready to be served. For storage, use a sealable glass jar or bottle and refrigerate. It will last for 4 days. Please like the video and share it. Don't forget to subscribe and click on the notification button for more videos. Thank you. You can decide to play around with yours by adding ingredients like banana or a flavor of vanilla to give it that customized delicious taste. Once you add your pulp to it and mix it, you can notice the creamy texture that it gives to it. It's up to you to decide to heat it up or just go ahead and add your garnishings and enjoy your high protein breakfast. Thanks guys for watching to the end. I hope you enjoyed the video for today. I'm sure you can't wait to try your own recipe out. Please like the video, share, don't forget to subscribe, click on the notification bell, the black one here, the black one, so that you can get my next videos whenever I post them. Also, when you try out the recipe and you post it on your social media handle, please tag me also on my social media handles. I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one.